name is Jeet and I'm a participant at IntelGamerDays and I just finished my first match. We did win and the game had 0 stutter.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है जुगराज AKA सबवर्जन। आज मैं आया हूँ इंटेल के अरीना पे, विशाल कंप्यूटेक पे, जहाँ पे इंटेल का हो रहा है गेमिंग इवेंट।
हाय गाइस, ये इंटेल की तरफ से बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है सब लोगों के लिए। ये इंटरनेशनली गेम खेला जाता है वैलोरेंट, आप सबको तो पता ही होगा। और हैदराबाद में पहली बार विशाल कंप्यूटेक की तरफ से और इंटेल की स्पॉन्सरशिप की तरफ से इतना बड़ा इवेंट हुआ है।
My name is Pawan, aka Finisher 777. It's been an honor and fun playing this LAN tournament here. I thank international company coming here and conducting a LAN tournament. It's been fun playing here. We just completed our first match and we won. Team Lime Juice.
This is an amazing event organized by Intel. There are many prize monies and we had a lot of fun. Team we have played again. They tried very hard but we have come victorious. For the first time in India, Intel has organized this big event in CCC Vishal Peripherals.
My name is Ganesh and today we have experienced a very good gaming event held by Intel here in Vishal Peripherals, Hyderabad.
My IGN is Dubmania, my real name is Sai. I have been playing since around I was 13 years old. Yeah, this is my first event, basically the tournament which was hosted by the Intel Gamers Day. It was really amazing and the players were also amazing, the PCs, the laptops provided here. I hope forward to win the tournament and get the prize.
Hello, my name is Keyur Verma. My in-game nick is Get Good. I came to this Intel Gamers Day. It was pretty good. A lot of enthusiasts who were playing this game, and Intel gave us the best of their setups so that we can game well, so we can prove our best, buy a lot of Intel products so that they can game well their homes as well.